Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing really well. Today, in this video, we will learn a new lesson. Class 2nd, subject NCRT English Marigold. Unit 3, The Wind and the Sun. Let us go through the lesson by reading it. Wind, sun, can you see that man walking down the road? I can get his coat off more quickly than you can.
Sun, smiling, we will see who is stronger. I will let you try first.
Wind, puffing his cheeks and blowing hard.
Man, how strong the wind is today. It is blowing my coat away. I must hold it tightly round myself.
Wind, blowing harder.
Man, pulling his coat more tightly. How cold it is.
Wind, sun, I give up. I cannot get his coat off.
Sun, now it is my turn. Let me try. He signed hard.
Man, what a funny day. It was so cold and now it is so hot.
Sun, signing harder. I will make him feel hotter and hotter.
Man, wiping his face. I must take off my coat.
Sun, wind, I have won. I have made him take off his coat.
Adapted from Aesop's Fables.
Now it is time for words to learn. Listen them carefully and remember them. Wind, W-I-N-D, wind. Sun, S-U-N, sun. Man, M-A-N. Road, R-O-A-D. Coat, C-O-A-T. Quickly, Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. Stronger, S-T-R-O-N-G-E-R. Puffing, P-U-F-F-I-N-G. Blowing, B-L-O-W-I-N-G. Pulling, P-U-L-L-I-N-G. Signing, S-H-I-N-I-N-G. Hotter, H-O-T-T-E-R. Wiping, W-I-P-I-N-G. Now we will move to another section of the exercises. Reading is fun. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What did the wind do to get the man's coat off? Answer is the wind blew hard to get the man's coat off. Question number 2. What did the sun do to get the man's coat off? Answer is the sun started shining hard to get the man's coat off. Question number 3. Who won in the end? Answer is the sun won in the end. There are 3 characters in this lesson. So, let's recall who said to whom these sentences. I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. Answer, the wind said to the sun. I will let you try first. Answer, the sun said to the wind. How cold it is. Answer, the man to himself. I give up. I cannot get his coat off. Answer, the wind said to the sun. I have won. Answer, the sun said to the wind. Reading is fun. Say aloud. Find a rhyming word from the story for each of these words. BUN, burn. FUN, fun. HOLD, hold. COLD, cold. BOAT, boat. COAT, coat. FAN, fan. MAN, man. SUNNY, sunny. FUNNY, funny. POT, pot. HOT, hot. Let's write. Here are some doing words in the story. WALKING, walking. SMILING, smiling. BLOWING, blowing. PULLING, pulling. Find 3 more doing words in the story that end in ing and then write them here. PUFFING, puffing. SHINING, shining. WIPING, wiping. Choose the right word from the box below and fill in the blanks. Let's read given words first. PULLED, pulled. TOOK, took. BLEW, blew. FELT, felt. WANTED, wanted. STARTED, started. One day, the wind and the sun had a competition. They blank to make a man take off his coat. Now, what will be the answer? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. Wanted. They wanted to make a man take off his coat. First, the wind blank hard. Now, what will be the answer? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. Blew. First, the wind blew hard. The man blank his coat tightly round himself. Now, what will be the answer? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. Pulled. The man pulled his coat tightly round himself. Then the sun blank shining hard. Now, what will be the answer? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. Started. Then the sun started shining hard. Then the man blank hot and he blank off his coat. Now, what will be the answer? Can you guess it? Yes, you are right. The answer is felt and took. The man felt hot and he took off his coat. Now, I hope that you will be able to answer all the questions of this lesson. My special thanks to Mr. Madnesh Rathod sir and Mr. Ketan Parmar sir for voiceover and editing. Thank you so much all the dear students. Have a nice day.